Hi there guys, and once again welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Sello. Please don't forget to subscribe, comment, like and also share this video. So ENCA reporter Lindile Masikane went into the mansion that Dr Nandipha and her jailbird of a boyfriend Thabo Bester were living in, you guys. So Thabo Bester was reported to have died in prison, but unfortunately he had escaped from prison with the help of her married lover, Dr. Nandipha Magutumana, you guys. So this is the mansion that they were living in, the lavish mansion which cost about 12 million rand. Please check this out.
Hi guys, so I'm inside the multi-million rand lavish mansion in which Thabo Bester as well as his girlfriend Nandipha used to live in. If I take you through to the property next door, this is in fact where Nandipha was going to be opening a beauty aesthetics branch of her business. The property developer has asked us to not film the actual house where they were living, which is obviously right next door, but you can see that in fact they had started renovating the property. It looked like they were about to create some parking space, and then inside the actual house it's a complete mess. They had stripped down the bathrooms, and according to the property developer, a week ago when the story broke about Thabo Bester's escape, that is when they essentially moved out of the property in quite a hurry. We know that they owe at least 800,000 rand in arrears in terms of money that's owed to the property developer, as well as the estate agent who had signed the lease over to them. So according to the developer as well, they had met Thabo Bester once around August last year, and this was when he was also seeking another property to rent for another business. So I'll have more details for you on ENCA DSTV channel 403.